Listen carefully. This is very easy.
Yes, I am ready. Hello, I am Ethan. Hi, I am Sophie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Huh. Do you like this park? Yes, I like it.
Messerkrunis, let's play. Okay.
Hold tight. Whee!
Swing higher. You are brave.
Thank you.
This fun. This is fun.
Yes, very fun.
Let's go to the slide.
Let's go.
Speak up for hair high. Be careful.
I am careful.
Wow! Good day. I like today.
Me too.
Look at flowers.
They are pretty.
One's here. I see birds.
I see them too.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I do.
Let's sit.
Okay.
Euphistus, I feel happy.
I feel happy too. Happy play.
Many kids play here.
Yeah.
Let's walk more.
Sure.
The park is big. Very big.
Tree shade.
I like this place.
Me too.
I want ice cream.
Me too.
Chocolate, please.
Vanilla, please.
Hugs. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mine is tasty.
Mine is tasty too.
Sit here.
Okay. I like chocolate. I like vanilla.
Ice cream is good.
Yeah.
Oops. Ha That's funny. Very funny. Stenton? Yes. All done.
Me too.
Let's throw this.
Okay.
I feel full.
Me too.
Let's find Max.
Yes.
This is Max.
He is cute.
Wonkennitz. He likes you.
I like him.
Angustheritis.
Let's walk him. Okay.
Angustheritis.
Let's walk him. Okay.
Max is happy.
Yes. Go, Max. Good dog.
I am tired. Me too. Let's play ball.
Yay!
Catch the ball.
I got it.
Nice catch.
Thank you.
Go, Max. Ah. Run fast. I am running.
This is fun. Yes.
Let's rest.
Okay.
Clouds. Look at clouds. Beautiful.
It feels nice. Yes. tired. Cute dog. One more game? Yes. Throw again.
Throw again. Ready? Ready. Ready.
Great job!
Thanks.
Time goes fast.
Yes.
Sun is low.
Pretty sky.
Sunset.
I like sunset. Me too.
Park is calm.
Yes.
Stay close, Max. Max. Good boy. Nashio, let's go home.
Okay.
I had fun. I had fun too.
Siki,
You are my friend.
you are my friend too.
See ya. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye. Bye.
Take care.
You too.
Let's go, Max. Today was good. We are home. Mom. I made a friend.
That's nice.
A Sophie's. Her name is Sophie.
Good name.
We played a lot.
I am happy.
Max is tired.
Yes. I am hungry. Dinner time.
Food is good.
Eat well. I feel sleepy.
Go to bed.
Good night. Good night. Tomorrow will be fun. I like my friend. New day.
Let's play. Good morning.
Sunny day again. I will go out. Bye, Mom. Bye.
Bye. Let's meet Sophie. Hello, Park.
Today will be fun.
Come on, Max. I feel happy.
Friends are good. Life is nice. I am thankful. I smile. New stories wait. Step by step. Sun high. Good day. Haha, Max.
I enjoy this.
Simple life. I love today.
Thank you.